Now we are going to do this activity. You are going to draw a house with the shapes. This is a house and these are some shapes. The roof is a triangle. This is a triangle. The house is a rectangle. Here a rectangle. The windows are squares. Square, square. The door is a rectangle. Here, this is a rectangle, the door. This is a circle. Circle. The sun, el sol. The sun is a circle. The sun is a circle. This is a tree, un arbolito. This is a triangle. And this is a rectangle. Here we have a flower, triangles, and this is the flower. So the idea is that you draw a house. Van a dibujar una casa, a house, using the shapes that we learned. Triangle, rectangles, squares, rectangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Van a dibujar la casa usando las figuras, las formas que hemos aprendido. Please color the house and draw it with the shapes.